Hello guys, so let's do this balloons DIY. So I'm going to grab two of these wood frame and I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue and then I'm going to attach them together like that. Then I'm going to grab this balloon stick. I'm going to grab two of these bags. Then I'm going to take one of the balloon holder, place it at the bottom, put a little bit of hot glue and then attach it like that, line them up all the way. Then place another balloon holder on the top. Then go ahead and spray paint it in gold. Then I'm going to take this little leaf and place it around it. I'm going to put my balloon on top like that, different colors. And I'm also going to go ahead and put flour at the bottom, but you can also use fluorofoam to attach the flour better, or you could just attach it with hot glue. Then I'm going to do it all in gold and white just to see how it looks. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. This is like all different colors, which I think it came out so pretty. This could be done for any party theme or any party decorations. You could just separate it and do two different two. It's up to you how you guys want to do it. And this is how it look all in gold and white, which I think is more fancy or elegant. You decide which one you would like to do. Now, for the next idea, I'm gonna grab one of this little wood frame, and I'm gonna just go ahead and take a balloon stick and place it around it like I did the other one, all the way around it like that. And then I'm gonna put some greenery, some flower, and just place flower all the way around so I fill out the whole thing. Then cut it into different size, then put a balloon in there. And then this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. So simple, so easy, and so cute that you guys can do. And I think this will look great on any party theme or decoration that you guys are doing, or you can also do different color of the balloon. It's up to you how you guys want to do it. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna grab one of this balloon candle holder. I'm gonna put a stick, attach it in there, and then I'm gonna grab four balloon, attach them together, and just fill it up until you do the whole thing to the top. Then grab a balloons, a little stick, and place it at the top like that. Cut it and place it at the top. Then grab your balloon and place it on top. Then I'm gonna take this tissue paper, wrap it around at the bottom part, and then just tie it with a string like that. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. I put cute little flowers and butterfly just to make it extra cute. Now for the next
So that was
idea,
one
I'm
of the
gonna
small
grab
glass
this
containers. So I'm gonna spray
glass.
paint
I'm
them
gonna go
in
ahead and
gold.
spray
So
paint
after I
it
spray
in
painted
gold.
in
So
gold,
then
I'm
after I
gonna
spray
take my
painted in
hot
gold, I'm
glue
gonna
and I'm
take my
gonna
hot
place
glue
some hot
and
glue
put
all
hot
the
glue
way
all
around the
the way
glass like
around
that.
it.
And
Then
then
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
take
take a
this
fluorofoam
fluorofoam,
and place
place
it
it
on
on
top to
top, and
attach
attach
it.
it into
Then
place.
I
Then I
got
got
this ring that
this
comes in a set of three.
ring
We're
that
going
comes in
to
a set
use
of
the
three. I'm
small
gonna
one
use the
this time.
small one.
Just
I'm
go
gonna
ahead and place
place
it
it
inside so
inside
you put
like
it all
that.
the way
I'm just
through
gonna go
it
ahead and
like that.
grab
To
my
hold
hot
it
glue
into
and
place, make sure
put
to
hot
put some
glue
hot
in
glue.
there,
Take
and then
more
just take more
fluorofoam and
fluorofoam
then
and then just
stuck it up
attach
like
it
that. So you're
like
just
that.
gonna,
Just
you have to
press
do
it
this
down like
part
that.
to be
Make sure
able to
to put
hold it
enough because
perfectly
this is
fine.
gonna
Make sure
hold
to
it
put
into
enough
place.
hot glue.
Then go
Then
ahead
go
and
ahead and
grab your
take your
flour,
flour, take
build it
a
up, and just
toothpick, put it
I put
inside
some
your
toothpick
flour,
to hold
and
the
then
flour down,
attach your
and then
flour
just
to the
place it inside the
fluorofoam like that.
fluorofoam. So
So
then
you're
just
gonna
continue
continue doing
doing
this
this,
until you
put in
attach the whole
different
thing
colors
all the
until
way
you
with a
do the
small
whole
piece
thing
of
around it.
fluorofoam.
Then I'm gonna
And
take
this
this
time I'm just gonna
small
go ahead and place it
fluorofoam
through
and
the
then just
ring
place
like
it
that, just to
inside
make
just
a
to
little
make the
hole.
little hole,
Go
and
ahead
then
and
go
put
ahead
some hot
and put
glue
hot glue around
inside
it
and
like
then
that, then
attach
place
it
it
to
on
the
top just
ring
to
on
attach it
top
into
like
place,
that.
and
Then
then go
take one
ahead
of
and
these
grab
balloon
your balloon
holder. You're gonna put
holder,
some hot
put a
glue
little
and you're
bit of
going
hot glue
to
at the bottom part,
attach
and then
the
just go
balloon
ahead
holder
and
into the
place it through
fluorofoam
it
like
so it
that.
get
Just go ahead and
attached
attach it
into
into
place
place.
like that.
Then
Then
after
go
that, just
ahead
put a
and
flower
put
in the middle
flour in
and
the
then go
front
ahead
like
and
that,
grab
and then
your
you're gonna
balloon, whatever
grab your
color you're
balloon
doing,
and
and then
just
attach
place
it
it
to
on
the
top and
top
just to hold it down like that.
of the
Then the
balloon
only thing you're
holder.
gonna have to do
After
next
that,
is
just
just
fill
fill
it
it
up
up
the
with
whole
the whole
thing
thing
around
around
just
it
to
so it can
cover
look
the fluorofoam so
cover the
it
whole
won't
thing
show.
of the
And
fluorofoam.
this is
And
how
this
cute you
is how
guys it
beautiful you
turns out.
guys it turns
Something
out.
so
Super cute and
simple,
super
so
easy.
easy, and I
Please
think this
comment
will
down
look
below
great
letting me
on
know what you
any
guys are
party
watching me from. I would like
decorations,
to
and I
know
think it's a
where
great
you guys
idea and
watch
it's
me
so
from. And thanks
inexpensive
again for
that
watching
you
Special
guys can
Creations
do
with
at
Nelly. And I
home,
hope
and I
you
hope you
this
guys
DIY
like it.
are
Now
helpful
for the
for your
next
next party
DIY, I'm gonna
decorations.
grab